Only 2 weeks ago, they faced off in the Rajya Sabha, and now the leader of opposition, Arun Jaitley, has taken on the Prime Minister once again, lambasting him over the government's foreign policy. Speaking at the two-day state executive meet of the BJP, Jaitley added that the nation was dwarfed under a weak Prime Minister.
पहले हमारे जवानों का सर काटकर उनका धड़ वापस भेज दो। प्रस्ताव पारित करती है कि भारत में जिस आतंकवादी को सजा दी गई भारतीय संसद पे आक्रमण करने के लिए, वो गलत थी।
And with this, he sounded the war cry. An unrelenting opposition questioning the UPA government's weak foreign policy once again. Leader of opposition Arun Jaitley sharpening his attack further, this time directly targeting Prime Minister Manmohan Singh.
यूपीए सरकार ने भारत को विश्व के सामने कितना छोटा और मजबूर कर दिया है, इसका प्रतिदिन एक उदाहरण सामने आ जाता है। और भाषण देकर एक नारा दे देते हैं कि हम बहुत ऊंचे हैं दुनिया के समाज में, वी स्टैंड टॉल। अब हम बड़े हुए हैं या बौने हुए हैं, इसके ऊपर निर्णय आपको लेना होगा।
The BJP leader's attack only taking the war of words to another level.
The Honorable Prime Minister.
This is not the first time that Jaitley has hit out at Manmohan Singh. Barely 2 weeks ago, the leader of opposition and the Prime Minister faced off in the Rajya Sabha, both quoting Roman senator and philosopher Tacitus to dent the other's argument.
He'll appreciate that despite the wisdom of Tacitus, the UPA's corruption is not a cause of envy for us.
Tacitus also said, and I quote, "When men are full of envy, they disparage everything, whether it be good or bad."
So has Arun Jaitley kicked off round 2 of this war of words. Bureau Report, Times Now.